So once again, I'm going to teach you on how to use the paintbrush and the text tool. So we have already used the paintbrush before, but not the text tool. Although all the others, nandun sa activity nila, they use the text tool. It's very simple and easy to learn. So we're going to create another file. We're going to create our canvas. So same with pa rin po yung gagamitin ko. So let's just zoom in para mas makita po ninyo. Okay. So here we have our canvas, our blank canvas. So once we click our paintbrush tool, no, kapag hindi po lumalabas sa inyo yung paintbrush tool niyo, it's either nakalagay dyan is pencil, airbrush, ink, or paintbrush. So you'll just right click again. Right click from the toolbox sa ating paintbrush. So yung ating namang shortcut key nakalagay sa gilid. So for paintbrush, it's letter P, pencil is letter N, airbrush A, ink is K, and then my paintbrush. So don't uh, na malilito. Huwag kayong malilito pagdating sa my paintbrush and paintbrush. So we'll just always select paintbrush po, no? Huwag yung my paintbrush. So click natin yung paintbrush. So once na nagbago yung naklik natin yung paintbrush, yung ating tool options po yung nagbago. Nag-adjust ko na yung tool options natin. Ayan. So, para mas makita po ninyo. Sinadjust ko yung ating dialog box. So sa dialog box natin, pagdating kay paintbrush, meron tayong iba't ibang um, brush tool or preset. So, meron tayo dito ng ating mga brushes or dito po. No? So, once you click this one, lalabas yung mga brush. Hindi po siya kiniklik kung meron mga kayo dito nakita. At i-click, i-drag po ninyo. That is wrong. Okay? Hindi po sila images. So, delete natin to. So, you can see here, lumabas drop buffer. And now you can paint. Why? Because you have selected this area. Ayan, kung sa ating layers layers sa ating last lesson, makikita niyo yung yellow box natin is selected natin doon. So kapag nag-paint tayo, diyan lang siya nagpe-paint. Hindi nagpe-paint sa labas. Unless kapag clinic natin yung ating Control C para bumalik natin. Okay. Unless clinic natin yung ating background, magpe-paint siya. So delete natin tong drop buffer layer. Yan. So gagamit tayo ng tamang brush. Yan. So ito meron tayong size, aspect ratio, angle, spacing, hardness, and then the force. So, kapag sa umpisa po na meron kayong napapansing mali doon sa inyong brush, you're just going to click this one to reset every options doon sa ating tool option na sa brush natin. So, just click reset, 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 reset. And also, for our dynamics, we just change it to, let's find this one. Sa GIF 2 may nakalagay po diyan dynamics off, pero dito, we have the pressure size, no? Have the pressure size or the basic dynamics. So pag clinic on basic dynamics, you can just paint regularly. Or kapag sa pressure size naman natin dito. So this one is same with the dynamics of pagdating sa GIF 2. Okay? Ang software na ginagamit ko po is GIF 3.04. So ito yung pinaka-latest version namin. So dito ang aking dynamics pressure size. So that is fine. Okay? So as you can see here, nakapag-draw na tayo using our paintbrush tool. Okay? So next naman din, so makita nyo kung paano ko siya nabubura is using the control and then the Z key. Okay? Control Z key. Okay? So next naman po natin is yung ating text tool. So pag click natin text tool, again yung tool options po natin magbabago. So we're just going to click on our text canvas and then just type in yung text na ilalagay natin. Ayan. So nakita niyo. So niresize ko siya, lumaki yung ating. Ayan. So pag di makita, i-resize na natin. Ayan. Okay po. So ganun po gamitin si text tool. So dito nakalagay yung ating kung anong font na kailangan natin or click nyo pa po dito. Ayan. So lalabas yung iba't ibang klase ng font. Ayan. So gusto natin area block. So as you can see, hindi nagbabago. So what we're going to do is to select all the text first and then just click on ayan, para magbago sila. Okay? Now, halimbawa, gusto ko lang naman mabago naman yung kulay nila. Okay, meron dito nakalagay change color or dito po sa ating tool option, change color. Okay, yan. So, nagbago na po yung ating color. Or halimbawa naman, kung di mabago, just go again to select all the text and then click on the selected color that you wish. So, pwede rin natin i-select like hanggang dito lang, tapos papalitan natin yung kulay niya. Let's try kung magagawa. But on GIMP 2, you can actually do this one. Actually do this one. Ayan. Diba? So, yan. So, we have the color pink or close to red. And then we have the color blue. So, in a single text, we have two, what you call this? Two colors. So, and then on our layers, we have here the text layer. Kung ano po yung nakalagay dyan, usually naman yung magiging pangat. Pero pwede natin palitan yan. Like this one. Text. Okay. And sa layers natin. Okay. So, selected natin yung layer natin. As you can see, meron tayong yellow dotted line. Okay. So, pag binaba ko rin yan, so mawawala po siya. Okay. It's acts as a layer. So, pwede natin siya i-move. So, just click on the letter itself para ma-move. At kung gusto niyo naman siyang palakihin, just going back to the text tool and then click on it. Okay. Yan. So, parang papalaki natin. Ngayon, hindi siya lumalaki like you expected. Yan. Hindi siya lalaki. Hindi siya responsive. So, we're going to, again, to select all to change the font size. Parang makita na. Go to change the font size. Okay. Or just click, type over here or right here sa ating dialog. So, 150 and smaller. Okay. So, pwede natin gawin katulad kanina. Yan. So, tulong part na yan. So, pwede silang 70. Ayan. So, mas malaki itong letter na to kumpara dito sa unang set of letters. So, that is our text tool. Okay. So, if you have any questions for this one, you can just reach me out for it kung paano po gamitin o kapag mali ito. Okay. But then again, that will be all for the text tool and also for our brush tool. Ayan. So, pag gumamit tayo ng brush tool, ay gumamit ka ng brush tool. Since, again, remember, you have selected this area since we have the dotted line at wala po sa mismong background natin. So, hindi kayo makapag-paint dito, but you can paint inside. Okay? You can just paint inside. Okay? So, palitan lang natin yan para makapag-paint din tayo sa labas. Okay? So, that is our text tool. Yeah. Text tool and then the brush tool. Oh. So, simple lang siya. Simple lang gamitin. It's all on your imagination kung paano niyo siya baguhin. Depende na lang po yan sa inyong tool options kung ano yung nakalagay sa inyo kung paano nyo siya babaguhin. Okay? And also we have the different kind of brush naman din. Okay. So para hindi gaanong mahirap, halimbawa nagkamali kayo sa isang area, okay? O dapat di natatakpan yung letter, as you can see here, di natatakpan yung letter kahit pulayan pa yan. Okay? Kasi nasa taas yung text natin. So always add a new layer. Always add a new layer. Para meron lang tayong guides. Sir, paano pag nagkamali ako? Gusto kong i-erase yung part na yan. So, madali lang din po kung paano mag-erase. Meron naman tayo dito eraser tool. But this eraser tool actually erase actually kung ano yung kulay na nasa foreground color dito. Example, sa background natin, we have the foreground color as white. So, sorry, yung background color is green. So, green po yung common lines. Green. That will be all for our brush tool and then the text tool. Yeah. So we have discussed many tools na po. The last one we're going to lastly discuss is the bucket fill tool. So si bucket fill tool naman, kung ano yung foreground background color natin or pattern, we just click it on the selected area, no? So it will just automatically fill yung ating buong images. So pag hinide ko kasi ito, so pag fill ko to, sorry, text tool dapat nasa text layer tayo. So wala nangyari kasi nasa ibang layer tayo. But then pag click ko dito, ayan, kita niyo, nag-fill naman siya. Oops. Pinifill niya kung ano yung kulay na which kung ito ay kulay blue lahat to, kulay blue makukulayan. Example dito, ayan. So, yan. Okay. So that is that is the bucket fill tool. Oops. So to view again the layers. So now we have our paintbrush, text tool, and then the bucket fill tool. So thank you.